Just ordered my package, and it's going to be here in a few days. So, what to do when the time comes? It's going to be here soon. I can feel it. It's going to be here soon. I know it will. Yes, sirree. 1 hour later. Oh yes, it's gonna be here. Only an hour has passed, and it's gonna be here soon. 1 year later. My package will be here in a few days. Wait a second. It's been a whole year! My package still hasn't arrived! I must go and sort this out. I must go up and see what the business is. Alright, who's in charge around here? The station master is? Okay, where's my goddamn package? Did you order a package? Yeah. Is it supposed to come in soda cargo in a yellow crate? Yeah. Duck. Hate to break it to you, but it's right over there. What? Yeah, it's right over there. See, look at the end of the platform. Yay, my package! Hooray, my package has finally arrived. Duck. It's been there for an entire year. It's been here for an entire year. Yep, it has. Damn it, I'm never ordering stuff off of the internet again. Oh, yeah.